Hello, Queen Divas. So today I am bringing an easy bow tutorial for those who didn't catch on to the other bow tutorials. If you didn't catch on the last time, I guarantee you'll catch on this time. But before we get into the video, let me introduce myself. I am the DIY Queen Diva. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends. Okay, you need your ribbon. I purchased this ribbon from Hobby Lobby. It's 1.5 inches of ribbon. You also need scissors. I wanted to do this bow tutorial because I really want everyone to learn how to make these cute little fancy bows for your candy apples and all of your treats. So I went and modified how I made the original bows. So I know with this bow tutorial, you'll get it. So just watch, listen, and practice. It's best to go get ribbon. I know they have them on sale at Walmart for like 99 cents. So what we're going to do first is just roll out about 12 inches of ribbon. And I'm going to use this one as my guide. So I'm going to cut some ribbon. What you're going to do is you're going to take, sorry about that, you're going to take these two fingers and you're going to wrap this ribbon around twice of your index finger. Take these two fingers, wrap one time, two times, okay? Then you're going to tuck this right here. You're going to tuck this right here. You're going to tuck this right here up under. Okay? So when you tuck that in between your index and your middle finger, it's going to come out on the other side. And that's how you're going to form your bow. Make sure you straighten out your ribbon so your bow is pretty decent. See how this is all crooked? So you straighten out the middle part. And then you just bring it around. And you're going to tuck this up under this flap. And that's it. Besides pulling to secure. So you just pull up and you pull down. Put your thumb up to push it up some. Pull up, pull down. You're not going to do anything with this. You don't do anything with this. So again, you're going to pull up, pull down. You can use your thumb here to secure, to push up on the knot. And that's it. That is much easier and better. In fact, I think this bow looks way much better than the first bows. So you're just going to fluff out your bow And then you're going to cut your tails. So you straighten out your tails. And you can cut your tails with a sling. So I am going to, I really do like this bow. So you're just gonna cut up. And then you're going to cut down. In order for your ribbon not to unravel, you need to make sure you burn the tips of your bow. With the lighter, you just take and burn the tips. Then you're going to straighten out your bow. If you don't want a tail, you just cut these off. You can cut your tails off. And you just take your lighter and burn the back of the tips. You just hit it with the lighter to secure the knot. And then you take the hot glue on the back and you can glue the bow on your stick. Let's do another bow. So basically, you're going to make sure you go around your index finger twice. This will be your tail. This will be your tail. So you're going to go around twice. 1, 2, and then you're going to take this part of the ribbon and tuck under in between the index and the middle finger. You're going to pull it out and go around to form your bow. After you do that, you just tuck this part because you're not going to do anything with this. You're going to take this tail and you're going to tuck it underneath that part right there. And that's it. I think this is much easier. And you just pull up, pull this up because you're not going to do anything with this. You're going to pull this up, put your thumb in the middle to push the knot up, but at the same time you're going to pull down. So pull up, pull down. And there's your bow. You can fluff out your bow. Cut up. Cut down, slant it. And then you're going to take your lighter and get the tips. And here's your bow. And you can take some hot glue on the back of this. You can take hot glue and put a dot on the back and secure it to your treat stick. Again, this is what it looks like. Okay. So this one is with no tail. And this one is with a tail. So no tail and a tail. With a tail and without a tail. So the most important part of this bow tutorial is making sure you go around your index finger twice. So you take your bow, this is going to be this part. So you're going to take your tail, and all you need is your index, your middle finger, and your thumb. And you're going to wrap this ribbon around this index finger twice. So 1 and 2. Okay. That's it. That's it. Now you're going to take it. You're going to take the same part, because you're not going to do anything with this. You're going to take this and go in between the two fingers. Push through. Now you want to bring the ribbon up to form your bow. So it's important to straighten this ribbon out right here. You want to try to get this as straight as possible, because this is forming the middle part of your bow. So you're going to bring that around. Remember, you're not going to do anything with this part. So you're going to bring it around, and you're going to tuck this part up underneath this flap. So you tuck it up underneath, you pull up, put your thumb in the middle, and pull down. You can pull up, pull down again. And there's your bow. Go one more time, because I think you guys should get it this time, because this is easier. So that's your tail. Go around twice. Make sure you have enough tail. Go around twice on your index finger. 1, 2. Remember, you're not going to do anything with this. You're not going to do anything with this part. So you take that and you tuck it in between the two, your index finger and your middle finger. You just tuck this in between the two, pull it out, form your bow. You know, just go over it. That's all you're doing. And you're going to take this and you're going to tuck it underneath the flap. There's the flap part. And this should be much easier. And that's it. Besides pulling up to secure it and pull down, put your thumb right there and pull down to lock it. And there's your bow. So you take it off your fingers. You can fluff at the end. So when you're cutting your tails, go ahead and fluff this so you can see how it looks. Let's go ahead and fluff it. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and fluff this. And just pull it out. Okay. So you're going to cut going up slantways, and then you're going to cut coming down. Now let me know if this bow tutorial was much easier. It should be. I think this is much easier because you're not doing all that other stuff. And here's your bow. Make sure you tap your ends. Here's your bow with a tail. So make sure you let me know if this tutorial was much easier. If not, I'll try to figure out another way for you all to learn how to make your candy apple bows or your treat bows. And again, this is with no tail. So when you're doing no tail, you just cut these flaps off and make sure you tap it with a lighter to secure it so it doesn't unravel. And I'm done. So if you have any questions or any comments, make sure you leave them below. Make sure you leave them below, and I pretty much try to answer everyone's questions, or if you have comments, I'm pretty thorough with that because I really want you to learn how to do this. Again, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them below. So bye-bye, enjoy your weekend, and have a great day. Make sure you stay tuned in tomorrow because I'm going to show you how many apples you can get from the 4-1-1 recipe. There's no way you can get 20 to 24 apples with the 4-1-1 recipe. So I'm the DIY Queen Diva, and I'm going to show you. Make sure you like, share, and tell your friends and family about my channel. Bye-bye.